It's here. It finally came in from the Ford show. I think it said show place. I'm surprised this came in as quick as it did. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's the first thing. It's a white tube, just like I've always wanted. All right. So here's the first thing. Oh, snap. Oh, look at that. That's pretty badass. So, came with a poster. I'm gonna have to get a frame for that because that is dope. Oh, yeah. All right, next. Ooh, jokes. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so we have a Ford Performance. Oh, yeah, the Ford Performance book. Pretty dope. I'm not gonna flip. Oh, snap. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow, it's a letter from Ford Performance. Oh, my VIN decoder. Oh, snap. It tells me how to decode my VIN number. And then, oh, the production numbers. That's totally cool to get the production numbers so you can see. And I'll go over later with production car. That's really cool. So we'll keep that safe in here. And oh, there's my certificate. What? There's my certificate. It's got my VIN number and everything on it, so it's official. That's pretty badass. So I definitely need to get a frame for all this stuff. And then this is all snap. Look at that. Oh yeah. Got the, oh shit, it bit me. It bit me. That's badass. I'm gonna take it out of here. Oh, that's pretty dope. So that's really, really sweet. Anything behind it? Really cool, really cool. Not sure if I'll have to put up my keys because I don't really carry a lot of keys, but that is sweet looking. Oh, it's a brake rotor.
That's too small for your car.
It's a replica. So that's pretty, dude, this is like, is that made of the same material?
Feels like it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, got myself a brake rotor. I'm gonna get something to store all this stuff in.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the card holder you get with it. Oh, it's a brake caliper. So that's pretty cool. Well, I know, but I was showing the brake caliper. Well, it's got the upside down, see which card it is. So that's pretty dope. So this all came with my Ford Performance package that I ordered for my car. So really dope. Really excited to get these things mounted. So awesome. Hey guys, that was just a quick video to show you the certificate package that I got from Ford Performance for my GT350. You can order it directly from Ford. You know, buying this car as a second owner, I didn't get the owner's package, so I wanted to get that, so it gets all my certificates and everything in it. It was really cool. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get it. I believe the cost was around $160, and it came in really, really quick. So I hope you guys like it. We got some great videos coming up. Probably gonna wait till after the holidays because we got Christmas. So I wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, a Happy New Year, and y'all keep crushing it, man. Have a great day. Peace.